Shawty the baddest. Yeah. She got a wave, Shawty is savage.
Hello, it's myself back again with another video, and today I am doing a makeup tutorial, quarantine edition, because why not? And I am using mostly my mom's makeup because I am not allowed to do makeup for another 2 months. So I just usually practice with it so I don't look like a fool in 2 months. So we're just gonna get on with the video, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. Also leave any comments you want, questions, video suggestions, anything. And also don't forget to follow my Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat, which are in my intro and outro. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. So to start off with it, I'm gonna be using Frankie Rose Matte Perfection Foundation, and it is Bare. I'm gonna put it on my, so just a little bit I'm gonna put on my hand, very little, because a little bit could go a long way. So I'm just gonna, and also I'm gonna be looking right here and right here because I have mirrors, and I'm really hoping this is my shade. Me and my mom are about the same shade, so it definitely should not be a different shade on me. And I'm just gonna be using a beauty blender to blend it. And then I'm just gonna get a little on my Zioria slanted foundation brush and just go with it, and I just go like this to blend more in case needed. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. So next I'm gonna be using Ultra Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Concealer Waterproof, and it is light warm shade. Just gonna get a little bit and put it under my eyes, on the top of my forehead, just a little bit down here, and just get the beauty blender and blend it out. So I'm gonna get Frankie Rose Compact. It's Spice, and I'm gonna be getting my contour brush to get some and put on my face because I don't really use contour whenever I do it, like the makeup, because I don't know how to, and whenever I do it and I do it correctly, I don't like the way it looks on me. So I just don't. Next, I'm going to be getting my blush, bronzer, whatever it is, and I don't know where it's from or anything because everything's faded kind of. And I'm gonna be getting my Zioria Ultimate Blending Brush and putting it on. I don't really like just caking it on there, so whenever I do put it on, I hit it on something and just go with it. I feel like this is where you put contour, but I think you put it a little bit lower. I don't really know about that. And then after that, I get my slanted powder and my highlights. And I'm using AOA Studio Wonder Baked highlight. And I kind of like my highlight, so and then I'm just gonna be putting it on my nose, on the tip a little bit. Next, I'm gonna be doing my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be using the Live Glam PS I Love You Shadow Me palette. It's my mom's, and I'm gonna be using the Love Letter first. On like the outer edge of my eyelid. Then I'm just gonna do it to the other eye. Next, I'm gonna be using my crease. That was my Flawless Concealer. But next, I'm gonna be using my crease brush and using the same palette. But I'm gonna be using Mi Amor, which is that light one right there, the light brown one, and just tapping it a little bit and putting it on my crease. Making sure to blend it in correctly. And equally as well. Next, I'm gonna be using the Let's Do Makeup Live Glam Shadow Me, and I'm gonna be using Wrong Ooh, which is this dark brown one, and that's gonna be with my blending brush, also from Zioria. And just gonna be putting it on my crease and down below. Just a little bit. Gonna be putting it on. And then I'm just gonna be doing the other side. And then after that, I'm gonna be getting my eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be using the Hello by Let's Do Makeup. And this is usually just what I do for practice, because I usually want to practice like a natural look kind of. And I'm just gonna be putting it right here. Just gonna put it on my lid, and I'm gonna do the other side. And then what I like to do is get my blending brush again and just blend it in a little bit. And that's really like my natural look, basically. And if it doesn't look equal, I usually, since I want to get it as equal as I want and try and do it accurate so I could be ready, I just try and do my best. And then next I'm gonna be using my other brush, and it's from Wet n Wild. It's just a regular brush, and I'm just gonna be getting the hello again, just tapping it and putting it on the corner. Okay, so that's for my eyes. So next I'm gonna be doing eyeliner, and I'm doing the Maybelline New York Ultra Liner Waterproof. And what I like to do, especially because I'm not very good at eyeliner, I like to practice this more than my eyeshadow, and I like to line it up with the ends of my eyebrow and just do a small line. Maybe not that small, but pretty small. And usually this is the part I mess up on. And so we're just gonna try and do it. So I kind of messed up on this one, but it's probably the best I'm gonna be getting it. And I'm just gonna try this on the other eye and see if I could do it the same, at least similar a little bit. And if you want, you could use concealer to clean it up a little bit. Just put it on your hand and use like a concealer brush. Use a concealer brush to clean it up. This is very important for me because since usually I can't do it. Even on the other side if you want. Just try not to mess up your eyeshadow. Again, to use a little compact to clean up under right there or around there, and then I'm just gonna be using ultra length mascara while Wet n Wild. The reason I like this one is because it's the type of brush and I'm just gonna be doing my bottom lashes. And so if you want, you could also get, like, what I'm gonna do is, never really tried this out, but I've always seen it. I'm gonna get the hello again with my white brush and just go above just above and where my eyebrow is, just to see how it would look, because I always see it like that and I usually like it. I don't know about this. I mean, it's all right, I guess, but it's what it is. Next, just for a more natural look, what I would do is tap a color to just give your lips not too much color, but a little bit of color. And I don't like a lot of pink, so that's why I didn't use a lot. And this is the conclusion of the makeup tutorial quarantine edition. If you want more, let me know in the comments, and any specifics, let me know. I'm probably gonna be doing more in the future. I really hope you guys liked it. Peace out.
Shawty the baddest, yeah. She got a wave, Shawty is savage.